Hello everyone, today we will talk about the Chinese document engraving with V4 Lite card. First, let's take a look at the hardware aspect. V4 Lite card has only one input port. The prerequisite for multi-document engraving is to have 2 or more input ports. So, the origin of the x-axis here needs to be used as an input port. Its port number is 14. And here we have 2 documents. Open the software. Open the port in the software. The full switch port is 15. Click on Multi-Document Engraving and add Document 1. Assign an input port for Document 1. Now, this 14 is lit up. It requires triggering both 15 and 14 to be successful. Leave it unlit or blank. Once you trigger 15, it will be successful. Leave it blank. Add document 2. Light it up. OK. I/O detection and processing. Click on Engrave. So a dialog box will appear, indicating waiting for the I/O input signal. We can trigger any one. Document 1. Then, trigger document 2. It doesn't need to be triggered in order here. It will engrave the document based on which signal is received.